Hi, I'm Dr. Shivani Patel, and this is my husband, Robert.
Hey, how are you?
I guess I was born in New York. We moved around a little bit when we were kids in a few different states, and then we sort of landed in Indiana, where I spent the formative years of my childhood. I went to Indiana University for school, and then I ended up going out to Boston to Tufts University for dental school. I was a really artistic kid growing up, and so I was always drawing or painting or doing ceramics or, all sorts of arts and craftsy things like that, just creating with my hands. And the flip side of that coin, my dad is a primary care physician. Kind of grew up watching him interact with his patients. He had a practice for 25 years where he built a lot of inroads with the community and had all of these amazing relationships with his patients. I really wanted to do something in that vein where I got to be in the realm of patient care and create those long-lasting relationships with my patients. But I also really enjoyed working with my hands. And so for me, dentistry is a really good combination of the two things, where I get to see my patients and care for them, and at the same time I also get to use my hands, which I really enjoy doing. A really good fit for me.
I am a commercial photographer. I work with brands all over the world and all over the country to basically do creative stuff, just like she does creative things and artistic things with people's smiles. I get to do it with different brands and things like that, and bring an advertiser's vision to life in creating cool stories you get to see and you probably scroll past. I work with brands like Adidas, United Airlines, and we just shot something for Jennifer Lopez's new brand, Dolola. It's kind of fun. It's a little bit of everything, and it's really a good way to kind of express my artistic side.
The old-fashioned way online.
I think my dogs did the heavy lifting on the dating app, as I thoroughly used them to my advantage.
We met online on a dating app, and we met about a year before COVID, and so we dated, and then
we're stuck inside with each other for that entire year, and I think that was a make or break. If you could get through that, you could get through anything.
Quarantined together, and not go on a ton of dates outside because of it. It was our own little whirlwind romance.
Yeah.
We got married last May, and we had a little backyard wedding in his parents' backyard, and it was really intimate and wonderful. So it's great. Ooh, what a great question.
That's a great question.
Everything. We decided that we wanted to move out there from the Chicago area to get a little bit outdoors, and Colorado is a great place for that. Chicago is a less great place for that. So we're really excited to go hiking and skiing, and I think he wants to go mountain biking and trail running and
for sure
do all this really fun stuff that you can do out in the mountains over there. I really want to expand my career into doing IV sedation, ortho, sleep apnea, full mouth rehabilitation, implants, all sorts of different cosmetic and surgical skills, so that I can make sure that I'm giving the best possible care to my patients and making sure that they have all of the different treatment modalities at their hands so that they can get really great personalized care. I'm so excited to come to Greeley Dental Care and meet the team that Dr. Doon has in place, and meet all of the patients, and really just hit the ground running so that we can start improving smiles and oral health and make a difference.